Hi everyone, welcome back. So all the students who are eagerly waiting for the CSAB counseling, we have a good news for you because in today's video, we are going to cover the top institutes in India, NITs, IIITs and GFTIs in which you can take an admission if your rank falls within 55k in the JEE Main. Before this, we had covered colleges under 15k, then 25k, 35k and 45k, and in today's video, we are specifically focusing on the colleges that falls within the 55k limit. For all the colleges, we are going to discuss the different branches that are available and also the category wise rank so that it's easy for you. So make sure you watch the video till the end. This information and guidance series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities and ranked among the top 3% globally. Also, if you are ever stuck in the counseling process, be it the JOSA counseling, CSAB counseling or any private college counseling, we have a dedicated helpline number for you. The number is 813-037-6334. All you need to do is text Btech on this number. We'll reach out, our senior counselor from our team will reach out and will make sure that all your queries are resolved. So now let's start with the video. So what we are going to do is, here we have all the different colleges and these are arranged alphabetically. So here are the colleges, we have more in the next slides, and along with the colleges we have the respective branches that fall within the 55k limit, and for all these colleges and their respective branches we have the category wise cutoff mentioned here. Now one thing to note here is, for all the IIITs and GFTIs that we would be discussing the All India rank, and for all the NITs that we would be discussing the outside home state rank. So let's start with the first one. So first we have the BIT Mesra campus. Here the branch is BEEE and this closed last year in CSAB counseling at 47.2k in the open category. Then next one is NIT Jalandhar. We have three different branch choices. The first one is Chemical Engineering, which closed at 46.09k. Then we have Civil Engineering, which closed at 51.2k. And the third is Industrial and Production Engineering, which closed at 52.3k. Then we have IIIT Kalyani, Btech360 Artificial Intelligence and Data Science branch, which closed in the open category last year at 48.6k. The next one is IIIT Bhopal. Again, we have three different branch choices. The first one is CSC with Cyber Physical System, which closed at 49.4k last year in the CSAB counseling. Then Information Technology IT branch, which closed at 51.7k. And the third one is Mathematics and Computing, which closed at 46.5k. Then we have IIIT Kota Btech ECE branch, which closed at 48.01k. The next one is IIIT Kota Btech CSE branch, which closed at 50.2k. And the last one here is IIIT Nagpur Btech EC Internet of Things IoT branch, which closed in the open category last year at 53.3k. The next institute is IIIT Sonipat. Here we have two different branches. The first one is CSC with Data Science and Analytics, which closed at 49.2k, and the second one is IT Information Technology, which closed at 52.3k. The next institute is IIIT Una, where again two different branch choices. The first one is CSC with Cyber Security, which closed at 47.1k, and the second one is CSC with Data Science, which closed at 45.7k. The next institute is Jawaharlal Nehru JNU New Delhi, where you can pursue Btech EC. Last year in CSAB counseling, it closed at 55.02k. And the last one here is NIT Bhopal. Two different branch choices. The first one is Btech Civil Engineering, which closed at 48.02k, and the next is Material Science and Metallurgical Engineering, which closed at 52.08k. Do note that both these are the outside home state ranks. The next one is NIT Allahabad Btech Biotechnology Engineering. Last year for outside home state candidates in the CSAB counseling, this closed at 48.9k. Then we have NIT Agartala Btech Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, which closed at 46.4k. The next is NIT Durgapur. We have two different branches. The first one is dual degree in Chemical Engineering, which closed last year at 46.1k, and then we have Civil Engineering, which closed at 49.7k. The next institute is NIT Hamirpur. Here we have three different branch choices. The first one is Chemical Engineering, which closed at 48.2k. The next one is Civil Engineering, which closed at 54.2k. And the last one is Engineering Physics, which closed at 47.18k. The next one is NIT Jamshedpur. Three different branch choices. The first one Civil Engineering, which closed at 45.5k. The next one is Metallurgical and Materials Engineering, which closed at 52.5k. And the last one is Production and Industrial Engineering, which closed at 52.5k. Then we have NIT Manipur Btech CSE branch, which closed last year at 45.2k. And the last one here is NIT Meghalaya Btech EEE branch, which closed at 52.8k. The next institute is NIT Patna. Three different branch choices. The first one is dual degree in Chemical Technology, which closed last year at 49.7k. The next is dual degree Mechanical Engineering with specialization in Manufacturing and Industrial Engineering, which closed at 54.9K. And the last one is Mechanical Engineering, which closed at 46.02K. The next institute is NIT Puducherry. Two different branch choices, Btech EEE, which closed at 45.4K, and Mechanical Engineering, which closed at 52.5K. The next one is NIT Raipur Btech Chemical Engineering branch, which closed at 49.4K. Next institute is NIT Rourkela Btech Ceramic Engineering MTech Industrial Ceramics, which closed at 47.7K last year. The next is dual degree in Metallurgical and Materials Engineering, which closed at 45.7K. And the third is dual degree in Mining Engineering, which closed at 51.3K. The next institute is NIT Sikkim branch is Btech EC, which closed last year at 49.1K. Then NIT Srinagar, two different branches. First one EC, which closed at 45.1K, and the second is Electrical Engineering, which closed at 52.8K. The last one here is NIT Uttarakhand Btech Mechanical Engineering, which closed previously at 54.05K. Next one is NIT Surat Btech Civil Engineering. Last year it closed at 46.6K, and same institute's Btech Industrial Chemistry, which closed at 53.7K. Next one is Sri Govindram Seksaria Institute of Technology and Science, which is located in Indore. The branch is BIT, which closed at 48.8K. The next is NIT Nagpur, two different branches. First one Metallurgical and Materials Engineering, which closed at 55.9K, and the second one is Mining Engineering, which closed at 52.3K. The last one here is IIST Shibpur Btech Mechanical Engineering, which closed at 49.04K. So these were the top institutes in India, including the NITs, IIITs and GFTIs, which you can target if your rank falls within the 55K limit in JEE exam. Now, since for all the institutes we have also mentioned the category wise rank, I hope you have a better idea as to where you stand and which are the top institutes that you should definitely target once the CSAB registrations begin. Also reiterating again, if you are ever stuck in the counselling process or if there is any doubt related to the engineering domain, this is a free of cost service that we have. There is no charges that are included in this. All you need to do is text Btech on this number and we'll make sure that anyone from our team reaches out to you. Also, if there is any other video or any other topic on which you want to see a video, make sure you mention that in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you in the next one.